Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Helsinki, only ways. Start by downloading the HSL app and setting up your payment method so you can buy tickets quickly. Plan your route using the app map and check vehicle numbers before boarding. Remember, peak times can be busy, so allow extra travel time when you have a connection or luggage. Getting the ticket right saves stress and money, so choose single, day, or travel cards based on your plans. Open the HSL app, select zones and duration, then confirm payment to activate your ticket. If you prefer, buy from a station machine or kiosk store. Keep your ticket active the whole trip and show it if an inspector asks during travel. When boarding, wait for passengers to exit and step in calmly to avoid delays. Offer seats to those in need and avoid loud conversations or blocking doors during busy periods. If you bring a bike or large luggage, plan for quieter hours or confirm vehicle rules to avoid being asked to disembark. Being courteous makes travel easier for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.